Hello there, I am here to try this Dare sandwich cream cookies, chocolate fudge. I'll look and see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll put a link below, and if I can't, I'll put something similar linked below. Here's what they look like in the package. Got these at Big Lots and paid, I believe it, under $2 for these. Or definitely under $3 for sure. Okay, they have a nice chocolatey smell. Oh, they have a cute design. Look at that. It's like a flower. They can be twisted off like an Oreo can be twisted. The cookie tastes just like a butter cookie, but just with a hint of chocolate. Yeah. Cookie part is a win. Never the cream. Very sweet, very chocolatey, very frosting like a chocolate buttercream frosting. Yeah, this is a good cookie. I would recommend this to others. If you've ever tried this Dare sandwich cream chocolate cookies, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't, do you like chocolate cookies in general? Let me know down below. I would easily give these a 4 out of 5, and I would buy them again. Yay for good snacks. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.